Good morning, Sandpoint High School. Tonight there's volleyball at Moscow. Game begins at 4, bus departs at noon, and dismissals at 11:45. There's also boys varsity soccer tonight at Memorial. Game begins at 7 and they're playing Bonner's Ferry. It's also their senior night, so make sure you guys come out and support them. Interact Club will be meeting every Tuesday right after school in room W14. And also, all seniors need to have their senior portraits into the Monticulo room by Friday and pay a $10 portrait fee to the bookkeeper.
Tonight is All Things Senior from 6 to 8 at the high school. All seniors, please attend for important information. Tomorrow night at 5:30 will be open house, and Thursday and Friday school photos will be taken. Hey Nate,
Yeah,
how many tickles does it take for an octopus to laugh?
I don't know.
Tentacles.
Another thing you should do with your Chromebook is know the built-in features. Right-clicking seems mysterious, but if you just use 2 fingers and tap the touchpad lightly, that's the same as a right-click. Scrolling is kind of cool. If you use 2 fingers and slide your fingers up or down, that will scroll. And you can configure how it scrolls in the settings, and you can make it like an iPad where it scrolls in the direction your fingers move, or classic kind of Windows PC style scrolling there. A really cool feature with Chromebooks are lots of built-in shortcuts. If you press the keys Control, Alt, and the question mark key and hit them all at the same time, it'll open a keyboard list of shortcuts right there on your screen, and it'll show you what all the different key strokes are for different shortcuts. That's really awesome. You should try it maybe now, maybe later if your teacher doesn't want you to. One of the really cool shortcuts is if you hit the Alt key and hit the curly bracket button, it will shrink the size of your window. So if you're trying to multitask, do research in one window, maybe write a paper in another window, something like that, it makes it really easy to stack windows up. Alright, what if you need help? First of all, definitely check with teachers and friends first. We've also added a Chromebook FAQ under the Tech tab on the school's website. If you don't know what the school's website is, you should write this down right now. sh.lposd.org. That's our high school website. Once you go there, there's a tab that says Technology. If it seems like your Chromebook is broken, it should be turned into the library for repair, and we're hoping we can get those back to you within 48 hours. Some upcoming features you can look forward to is working offline. Unfortunately, we're having some trouble with our filtering settings that's preventing this from working properly at the moment, but it should be fixed soon. So if you're not on Wi-Fi access, you can still work with Google Docs. You can still open your files. It'll be great. Another thing that should be coming soon is printing. Of course, if you're at home and you want to set up a printer, that's totally possible. I would recommend doing a search for the terms Chromebook printing and then add your printer model at the end. So if it's an HP 22 or something, type that in and it should be able to walk you through how to do it from the Google Help sites. And some other things that are upcoming is we'll be covering some good apps to use in different classes. So if you're not a Chromebook Pro yet, that's okay. Stick with it, keep practicing, learn new things each day. It's just like in any class. Hopefully we're growing throughout the entire year.